Alright guys, we are walking to our trusty cruise drawer. Vacation drawer, cruise drawer, whatever you want to call it. But, as you see, this is just a little walkthrough between our Jack and Jill, and here it is, the cruise drawer. Hey everybody, I'm Teresa.
And I'm Ronnie.
And we're the Traveling Gilberts. Today we're gonna talk to you a little bit about what we take or what we have kept in our cruise drawer for cruising. Just so it's so easy to pack and unpack when everything is in one spot. You don't have to worry about if you leave your brush or if you leave your deodorant or everything, because we keep everything all together.
That's right. It's just a travel drawer that's got all the things that we need, so we don't have to take our big old, tube of toothpaste or our underarm deodorant and leave it in a hotel, and then you got to buy some more when you get home.
Yeah.
So we have
our Dollar Tree and Walmart, Dollar whatever stuff all just kept in one spot. So
yeah, in case we lose anything, then we're not hurting. I mean, it's not a big deal if we get hurt.
All right. First thing, I mentioned the brush. And the reason I did, this actually came off of Royal Caribbean, I think it is.
Yes.
Because I forgot my brush. So we keep an extra one in there now for that.
Exactly. Yeah. And I'll tell them what the brush cost. I don't even remember.
Yeah, I think it was like $8.99 or something. It is, as like you can see, just a little nothing brush. But anyway.
Yeah, dollar brush.
I'll still take my brushes, but just in case I forget, we just keep one in our little bag.
Yeah, because we very seldom ever leave anything there, but I mean, we do leave things here that we need there.
All right, we've got our little thing of hand sanitizer. Of course, now you might need 3 or 4 of those since COVID reared its head.
If you can find it.
We have our little container of sunscreen. Yes, we do try to take a bigger one, but we always take this as a backup just in case we forget. And these things don't take up a lot of space. We have a little bag that we hang on the doors.
Matter of fact.
And you can use anything. This one is really handy, but you can get like the shoe racks, the little things you hang on the back of the door that holds all the shoes. Those are good too, but this doesn't take up a lot of space. We have 2 of these, right?
Right. It came with 2 when we bought them.
And we have our Dramamine. None of us we've never gotten sick, but we still take it because you never know.
You never know.
My husband's highlighter.
I highlight the fun times. I do that.
I'm
a paper man.
Yeah.
I'm not an app man.
The waterproof Band-Aids, because if you get a cut or nick or whatever and you're going to go in the ocean, you definitely want to make sure that you're protected. We have these little tea lights. Flameless tea lights. I don't know if you can see these or not. But these are especially the interior rooms. We got these at Dollar Tree, I think it was. But the interior rooms, if you'll turn this on and just put it in the corner somewhere, if you have to get up and go to the bathroom, you have these. And it's plenty of light. It is really dark in the interior rooms. So
yeah.
We have off. Again, never used it, but it's small, doesn't take up a lot of space. Oh, y'all, you got to remember to put one of these in your bag. Definitely do.
Even for the guys.
Even for the guys. Most important. We have our little Tide to go stick, the little mini one.
Kind of like a little shout stick, the stain remover.
Wipes.
Right.
More wipes.
Well, these are actually disinfectant.
Yeah, this is the big disinfectant wipes.
Yeah, these are disinfectant wipes.
And then
just wet wipes.
Aloe, because you're gonna get sunburned.
That's right.
And some more sunscreen. I told you we took a big one too, but we also take the little one just in case. But we just leave this packed. I mean, there's no reason to unpack the stuff.
Yeah, we just roll it up and then shove it in the drawer.
Yeah, we have a big old drawer for that. Other thing, Downy Wrinkle Release, little miniature one. You guys, you're not gonna go iron your clothes. I'm just telling you. I mean, I guess you could, but we don't. So,
like I said, everybody has talked about this stuff, but this stuff really works.
It does. It's really good.
I have to get my shirts first day. We all unpack first day to get it out of the way, but I take my shirts and I hose them down from the get-go. Just rub it, and I got Wrinkle less shirts for the week, and I don't have to do it each time.
It freshens up your clothes too. We have the miniature bounce thing too, just in case you wash your clothes, but also you could use this to freshen up your clothes. And of course, you know, if you get static in your hair. A little thing of Lysol. We do have the little poopery too that we take.
Oh yeah, I was going to tell you about this kind of stuff. Get that bag there too. Oh, this is like
we're snatchers.
Yeah, hotel snatching. Now I'm gonna tell you what this is. This is the shampoos and the lotions and the mouthwashes from hotels. I mean, keep that stuff. Put it in a bag. Shove it in there. I mean, this is probably a couple of trips, you know, but
they do give you shampoo on the cruise. I've been on one cruise where there was shampoo and conditioner.
Right.
Most of the time it's just shampoo and body wash kind of mixed together. So yeah, if you don't want to use that, I mean, you can take some of these with you, but you're definitely going to need the conditioner if you have the frizz head like I do.
Well, another thing too, we're talking, speaking of...
Sorry, I keep going off camera.
No, but speaking of the hotel stuff that you take, I mean, everybody goes to the dentist usually once every 6 months to get that cleaning. I mean, if you don't, you need to. But anyway, you know, doctor give you a goodie bag. Doctor gives you a toothbrush. He gives you some floss. He gives you these little bottles of mouthwash. Keep throw them in your bag. This is cruise stuff. This is travel stuff, man. You know, you got all that stuff at home anyway. Don't even open this stuff. Put it in your bag. Put it in the cruise drawer. Great tip.
I keep an extra thing of deodorant, razor, and some lotion just in the cruise drawer, because that way I don't have to worry about packing mine the next day, because, you know, you're liable to forget it. And of course, your Q-tips, wipes. And then we have this too. We've got several of these actually. My sister-in-law worked for Fred's and they closed, so she like brought us a bunch of these. But anyway, just for your medicine, just to keep everything organized. I mean, we throw our ibuprofen and stuff in here too, rather than packing the whole bottle.
Yeah, yeah. And, most of the time, we'll already have our any medicine that we take, but this is, you know, Benadryl, ibuprofen, right? You know, all the
so you don't have to take all the separate packages.
Yeah, a sinus thing, you know, or whatever. And yeah, there's all of a sudden there's your medical kit. You know.
Got our clips.
Yep. Towel, clips. You can buy a bag of these things for a bunch of them in there for like $1 at the dollar thing. You had to clamp your towel to your chair. Right.
Or if you have a balcony, you can put your swimsuit out there too.
To dry. And we've actually hung up stuff. I mean, I know you got a clothesline in your bathroom, but hey, instead of just wrapping them over, you can clip them up there and have them dry out.
And then, that was really close. A little tide, a little miniature.
A little miniature tide.
And then our,
oh yeah.
We keep those in there too.
Now this here is, I mean, this is getting to where you don't have to tape your board, what is it? Your luggage tag.
Yeah, your
luggage tag. You know, but these little skinny ones, let me just grab one of each. Because you can buy these on Amazon for, you know, it gives like a pack of 6 for a little whatever. But it comes with these little metal things that you unscrew, put them on your luggage. They zip, they're waterproof. And the little fat ones are Carnival. The little skinny ones are Royal Caribbean.
This is one of the useful things he bought off of Amazon, but that's another story for another day.
They are very useful. These are great.
Hey.
Hey, someone will talk. Great.
This is his favorite thing ever.
Guys,
I'm just going to give you a little glimpse of it because he loves it.
This is the tip. This is what you wanted to know. This is why you should be looking at this video. This is it. We're talking about the cheapest thing you can buy that's going to make your day great. And it is this thing right here. You can find them at the end of an aisle at Walmart. They're like $1.97 for 2 of them. Now show them what they do.
Y'all, you hang your toothbrush on your mirror. It's the best thing ever, but not this mirror. The one on the cruise.
That's right. You see it's got suction cups on the back. Little flip thing where you put your toothbrush in, close it.
Or your hotel room or whatever.
Anyway, have you ever put your toothbrush in a cup You know, the head, you don't want to put the head down and the cup fall over. Toothbrush all over the sink.
No.
Oh, nobody wants that.
No.
That thing's great. I love it.
And, you know, when they come in and clean, too, it's picked up, it's on the mirror, so they're not touching your toothbrush.
That's right, because it's covered up. That's good stuff, man. I enjoy that. That's like my favorite tip.
Yes.
All right. So we hope you like these tips.
Yes.
Tricks.
Yep.
Tips.
Hit the subscribe button, please.
Yeah, guys, they hit the subscribe button. We'll have some more coming out. There was a little
And that bell.
little time in between this one and the first one, but we're going to try to get a little more regular with it. But I hope you enjoyed this stuff. Some of it's repetitious, you know about. Some of it maybe not. So, yeah. Till next time. Y'all have a good one.
Happy cruising.
Bye.